Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will guide you how to add YouTube video on Shopify page by using PageFly video element. With PageFly, you can add YouTube video to Shopify homepage, product page, regular page, etc. Let's start enhance your Shopify page with video content today. Let's get started. First of all, click the element and take a layout from here. Take layout from here. Then click the whole section. Then click the element and scroll down. Click the YouTube video and drag the YouTube video element and select the YouTube video element and general. You selected YouTube video link, copy from here, copy the link and paste it. Perfect. Then weight increase and decrease from here. You can very easily weight increase and decrease from here. Then show control, no, enable loop, no. I can enable autoplay, yes, and mute video, yes. Then you can very easily set time, video time here. Then all okay. You can easily make 4:3 or 16:9. I use 16:9 from here. Then you video size full width or custom size. Here I use full width and save the and published. And preview. Click the preview button. That's it. Looks so nice and perfect. You can easily build it. Thanks for watching.